Hello everyone, this is Alicia from Workersonboard.com, and today I have at least 10 work from home job openings that you can apply for right now. It is great for those who are beginners. Maybe you're new to working from home, or maybe you've worked from home in the past, but you're having trouble getting a work from home job or securing one. You've been applying and applying and you have not yet been offered a job. This video is for you. So please watch it to the end. Tell your friends, family, or anybody else that you know of that wants to work from home to watch this video. And if you get hired from any of these companies, please leave me a comment below, or if you've watched one of my previous videos and you've gotten hired to work from home, let me know too. Thank you so much in advance for your support. I really appreciate it very much. And you can join our group. I will leave the link right below this video. I just posted and shared over 20 remote jobs, including some that are global if you live outside the US, that you can apply for right now. And when you join, you can get access to all of the posts that I've shared previously. And there are companies that still have openings that a lot of people may not know about, so you'll get to see all of that. And so you can opt out at any time, but you can join this group, and I think it will help you when you get access to those additional jobs to have more offers coming your way. So here's some sites you can use for extra cash in the meantime while you're waiting to get hired from home, or just to have some side income. So you can use Tell What to get paid for your opinions. They pay you instantly. They will pay you to take polls, answer questions, even to quiz your friends, and other types of activities like playing games and things like that. But you can get paid instantly, and I'll leave the link right below this video in the description of the video so that you can join. And also, Rare Patient Voice will pay you $120 per hour. No, that's not a misread. $120 an hour for your time to talk about health conditions and diseases that you or somebody that you care for have been diagnosed with. It is free to join and sign up. Your feedback is valuable to these companies, so they pay you really well. They pay in cash, and it's open worldwide, just in case you were wondering, or in the US and a lot of different countries. Let me say that. I don't know if it's every country, but a lot of them. So the link will be right below this video. So I'm going to start off with this opportunity for household activity video contributors. They've hired over 2,000 people just this month alone, and this month just got started. So there are jobs for you to record these videos of yourself completing household chores. So you could make up a bed, maybe you're doing the dishes, doing your laundry, you are cooking or preparing a meal for your family or for yourself or whatever it is. All of these different things that you do on a normal basis, you can get paid up to $15 an hour recording that with your phone. Now, you're going to be working up to 20 hours a week, and you don't have to record your face. So you're just going to wear a headset, and you're going to be recording your hands, completing these tasks, and then you'll get paid every week to do this. So you do need an iPhone, or just the type of phones you're going to need is an iPhone, Google Pixel, or Samsung Galaxy phone. So I'll leave the link right below this video, but they are actively hiring people right now. You can get onboarded really fast, and that's one of the tips. When you're new to working from home, apply to jobs that either provide you with training, that have a lot of openings. This one does, and that they're actively hiring people. And as far as a job, they're focusing more on your skills rather than experience, and this falls into that category. So does this one. Micro One, they're hiring at-home video recorders. They have 1,000 openings, pays $13 to $15 an hour. It's pretty much, you're going to be doing the same thing. So if you don't get hired at the other company, you can apply at this one. And they need you to use your smartphone to capture household tasks. So really simple, no experience required. Anybody can do this from home. I'll leave the links for you to apply. Also, they're hiring gameplay data capture specialists to work from home. You're going to be playing these AAA games. So these are really they're games that are well known. Um, Games that you've probably maybe played in the past. And so they need you to do this from home. You're going to record, organize, and annotate these game sessions with accuracy and detail. Make sure all the files are stored and cataloged, and when you submit them to them, and you're just going to shape how these robots learn, reason, and perform tasks. And so they need your input, and for you to play these games on your own, from your own home. And so there's 50 openings. It pays $10 to $15 an hour. If you already play games from home, this is like a no-brainer. There's no experience required. You don't need to know anything about AI. You just need to play those games, and then you'll get paid to do this. So I'll leave that link below this video as well. There's also 100 openings for AI data annotation experts to work from home. You're going to review short video clips, and then you're going to identify and categorize events according to their guidelines. So it does require a lot of attention to detail, and so this is what I mean, focusing on those skills. If you're good at that, and if you're a person that's looks for accuracy, or you like to make sure everything's accurate, and if you can write clear descriptions for those annotations for when you review these short video clips, then you would be great, a great candidate for this particular opportunity. So it pays $40 to $80 an hour, pays really well, and I believe this is a part-time opportunity, but you can set and work your own hours. And that's good too, because all of these opportunities so far allow you to be able to do that as long as you meet the hour weekly requirement. So you can just pretty much work whenever you want. Another opportunity as well comes from this employer, People Joy. They're hiring customer support reps to work from home. They need you to help customers and help them to have good experiences when they're interacting with the company. So you're going to be responding to client inquiries and resolving non-technical issues. You will also analyze their needs and provide recommendations for that. Maybe even resolve complex or escalated cases and collaborate with other CSRs to do that. And then you're going to document all their interactions. So they just want someone who is dependable, have a strong work ethic, with clear communication skills, and have empathy, and is highly detail oriented. The pay goes up to $58,000 per year. It is full time. So again, there is no experience required. If you would like to apply, please, you can go to the actually, I posted this in my group, but I'll leave a link to that below this video. There is another remote opportunity, and this one is for, we'll wait till the page loads up because I can't remember off the top of my head, for a weekend customer advocate. So it comes from a company called Jenny Splendid Ice Creams. You can work from home Monday through Fridays, 1 to 5, and then possibly one day on the weekend. And so they want you to be able to help customers over the phone, chat, and email. You're going to organize and place orders for them for holiday gifts and catering events. And so they want you to, make sure that you're become an expert in their products so that you can help them. So you do need to have good written and verbal communication skills. And that's pretty much it. Of course, you need to be dependable and all of that, but there is no experience. This is a part-time job. I don't know how much this particular opportunity pays. It's not listed, but it does mention something about benefits as well. And they do say sometimes you may have to come in for an office visit, so you want to live somewhere near Columbus, Ohio. Just keep that in mind. Another opportunity comes from a company called Boat Farm, and they need remote receptionists to work from home to answer calls during the week. And you're going to have conversations with callers. Maybe they need help with travel dates. And then you're also going to help them or schedule them on a specific specialist calendars for same day or next day, help them with booking and all of that. So that's really what this is. Some people are calling in to plan their anniversary, proposals, honeymoons, and you're going to make sure that they get what they need, have all their travel needs taken care of. They do say this is inbound calling, no cold calling or sales or pitching is required. And they're calling to help to get, things booked. And so you're just going to help them with that. So they want you to be a people person. You're going to be reliable. They also want you to be comfortable with technology and have some type of interest in helping and assisting customers. So that's what they're looking for. This job pays $23.08 an hour. There are performance bonuses available, team bonuses. It says your potential for the year could be where you would make $54,000 a year. That includes bonuses, and training is provided. You will have weekends off. So this is another job that came from my group. So I'll link it below this video. Also, there's another opportunity for rent surveyors to work from home. It starts August the 31st, the end of this month, 24 days left for you to apply for this opportunity. You're going to call various apartment communities and ask them simple questions about their rent, any specials they have. Even if you don't get anybody on the phone, you're still going to get paid. This job does not require any previous experience. They do want you to be accurate, and they do want you to complete all of your job duties and be able to play the role as a renter. So that's something that is required. You get paid per hour, plus you get piece rate for every call you make, and they're called surveys. So every single one that you complete and you make, you'll get a piece rate for that too. So you can apply for this as well. Then the last job I want to share with you comes from the social element. They are looking for, let's see, this is called a social media community manager to work from home. They also hire outside the U.S., but this one is for those in the U.S. You're going to work up to 29 hours per week on Eastern time zone. They want you to work during that time zone. In the evenings, 4 to 7 or 8 to 12, Monday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And what you're going to do is you're just going to make sure that you engage with people on social media and you respond to any questions they have and kind of be the face of their brand across their social media platforms. So they want you to have some kind of experience working on social media or responding to people on social media in that type of manner. And they also want you to have good grammar, English skills, experience using social media like Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, all of those platforms, and be confident using digital technology and self-motivated. So this is another opportunity you can apply for too. Even beginners, even if you just had your own social media page and platform and you used it to connect with people, you could apply for this job, even if you have not worked from home doing this before. So I have more work from home jobs on the Friday job page. I'll link that too. If you want to apply for those, you can do that and see who else is hiring and what they're looking for. So thank you so much for watching this video to the end. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, leave those right below this video. And don't forget, if you want to join that paid Google panel, leave me a comment. And if you've been hired to work from home or you have a specific job you're looking for, let me know and I'll talk about that in an upcoming video. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure you check out for my next video, and have a great day.